We're here for the daily safety check. Wait!
Safety check. Just means more waiting.
Cones are like a warning. Be careful. Yep.
Cones are just in the way.
Cones are very important for traffic safety. Stay safe, Bruner.
Now we can finally get some REL work done.
The path I need is right on the other side. There, path is clear.
Follow me. I found a super fast shortcut.
Whoa! I am stuck. Oh no! Micky! You're sinking!
I can't reach you.
Jin! Help! Micky is stuck! Rescue team, let's roll!
What happened to the safety cones?
He's in deep, Poli. Up, Poli. The concrete is hardening fast. Viscosity is increasing. Gotcha, Micky.
He's not budging. I'm sinking too. Ooh.
Traction is the grip your tires need.
Ugh, we need to give him something solid to stand on. I'll help get the pads ready.
Coming in, Roy. Get ready. Perfect, Helly. Activating. Stabilizer jacks. The jacks spread Roy's weight out.
Mega winch. P-L. I'm moving.
You did it, Roy! Oh, what? Huh? I'm a concrete statue! You're gonna need a big wash.
I thought I was being fast, but I made a mess.
Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. His backup alarm is broken! I've got it! We have have to secure the wall. We need to support it from the outside. Angled supports will hold it up.
I'll do it right this time.
It's stable.
Great job, Bruner!
It's an important safety sound. Whoops!
Whee!
It tickles! Teamwork and engineering solve any problem. Always follow the safety signs. Be safe out there. See you next time.